Well, actually, that's not the place where we are going to fly, but the weather is good. It's very good. It's sunny. It's not that warm, but it's sunny. It's enough. Okay, guys. What should I say? Another video, and we are going to look for a new location. I just making a little pause right here, but we are still looking for a new location, and I hope we will find something cool. So stay tuned and have fun.
Like two fires, movement so graceful. Wildcat in the jungle with dangerous claws. Movement she anticipates, a sight is set on her prey. Like stars in the darkest night, crystalline.